Panchayati Raj in Jammu and Kashmir. The word Panchayat has been derived from the Sanskrit word Panch and Chayat. The former means voice and later means forum for discussion. Thus, the word Panchayat is a forum of wise men's discussion of the local problems connected with rural societies. History reveals the existence of Panchayat system during the Aryan times in India. It was meant for rural agriculture societies to cope with basic justice problems. It was based on the decentralization of power for effective running of the local administration. Panchayati Raj in Jammu and Kashmir before independence. The history of Jammu and Kashmir opened the chapter of panchayats in the village in 1935 under the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayats rule number 1 of Samvat 1992, that is 1935. These panchayat means to assist the administration of civil and criminal justice and also to manage the sanitation and other common concerns of the villages. Villages Panchayat Act 1941 was another important act for panchayat before independence. Panchayati Raj in Jammu and Kashmir after independence. 631 panchayats were exist in the state at the time of independence of India. In 1949 AD, the Department of Panchayats and Rural Development began its activities for rural upliftment such as improving irrigation arrangement, dewatering the area, bringing wasteland under cultivation, etc. Panchayat system envisages three-dimensional approaches for all around welfare of the masses with particular stress on individual development of the personality for healthy and prosperous society. Number 1. It strengthens the basic roots of democracy, which is the best form of government in the world. Number 2. Through this system, one also get an opportunity in the decision-making process at grassroots level. Number 3. This system enables to oversee and supervise need and requirement-based development programs of the local area for their proper execution. Jammu and Kashmir Panchayati Raj Act of 1989. Jammu and Kashmir Panchayati Raj Act 1989 aims at introducing the Panchayati Raj system in a very effective way in Jammu and Kashmir state. The main idea behind this act is to promote and develop the Panchayati Raj in the state as an important instrument of the local self-government to secure the effective participation of the people in the implementation of the development programs. This Act 1989 provides the following authorities: Halka Panchayats, Block Development Councils, District Planning and Development Boards, Panchayati Adalats. Number 1. Halka Panchayat. J&K Panchayati Raj Act 1989 provide wide-ranging powers to the Halka Panchayat, which is the soul of the system. It is the central around which the planning, development and political activities of the people at grassroots level revolve. Composition of Halka Panchayat. It provides a Halka Panchayat of every Halka. Every Halka Panchayat has the Halka Majlis comprises of all the persons whose name are included in the electoral roll for such Halka Panchayat. It consists of panches not less than 7 and not more than 11, including the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch is elected by the panches of the Halka Panchayat from amongst themselves. The panches are elected from the constituencies. The Sarpanch, the Naib Sarpanch and every panch of Halka Panchayat hold the office for a period of 5 years from the date of its constitution. Every Halka Panchayat holds its meeting at least once in a month. Functions of the Halka Panchayat. The following are some of the important functions of the Halka Panchayat: to prepare plans for the development of the area and undertake measures for the implementation of the development plans, to deal with the problems of soil conservation, water management, social forestry, rural industrialization, agriculture, animal husbandry and sanitation and health, to construct and maintain the slaughterhouses, regulate of sale and preservation of meat and processing of skins and hides, to regulate the building, shops and entertainment house and checking of offense or dangerous trades, regulation of fairs and festivals, preparation and implementation of social development plans for alleviating poverty and employment generation through various programs, to involve in implementation of schemes of universalization of elementary education and other educational programs. Block Development Councils. The Panchayati Raj Act 1989 provides the constitution of Block Development Council for every block in the state. Composition of Block Development Council. It consists of the chairman of the Block Development Council. The chairman is indirectly elected through an electoral colleges. Consists of sarpanches and the panches of the panchayats in the block. The government has also the power under this act to nominate 2 members to give representation to women, SC, other classes. Functions of Block Development Councils. Its important functions are to construct, maintain and supervise the inter-Halka Panchayats communication system, to provide administration and technical guidance to the Halka Panchayat and to review its work, to undertake measures for effective supervision and monitoring of various development programs which are undertaken by the Halka Panchayats, to supervise plans relating to agriculture, rural development, animal husbandry, sheep husbandry, social forestry, education and public health, to supervise and monitor the implementation of poverty alleviation programs, to carry out such other functions as may be entrusted to it by the government or by District Planning and Development Board. For every Block Development Council, there shall be constituted a Block Development Council fund comprises grants made by the government. Every Block Development Council shall hold its meeting once in a month. District Planning and Development Board. This act also gives a District Planning and Development Board for the proper functioning of the Panchayati Raj system in the state. Composition of District Planning and Development Board. Its chairman is nominated by the Chief Minister of the state. Chairman of the Block Development Councils, Town Area Committees and Municipal Councils in the district, MLAs and MPs or the ex officio members of the district board. The District Development Commissioner is a chief executive of the district board and he is assigned by the district level heads of the departments in discharging of his functions. Functions of the district board. The District Planning and Development Board is the highest authority in the power structure of the Panchayati Raj system. The board has the following powers and functions: to consider and guide the formulation of development programs for the district and undertake priorities programs for the district and undertake priorities for various schemes, to consider issues relating to the speedy development and economic upliftment of the district, to formulate and finalize the plan and non-plan budget, to lay down the policy guidelines for the Block Development Council and Halka Panchayats, to lay down the policy guidelines for the Block Development Councils and Halka Panchayats, to review periodically progress and achievement of development plans and schemes and make recommendations as it considers appropriate, to function as a working group for formulation of periodic annual plans for the districts, to approve the budget of the Block Development Councils and supervise and coordinate their work, to undertake special measures for alleviating poverty and employment generation, to promote and assist corporation institutions. Panchayat Adalats. This Act 1989 also provides a Panchayat Adalat for every Halka, which consists of contiguous numbers of villages as determined by the government. Composition of Panchayat Adalat. The Adalat consists of 5 members nominated by the prescribed authority out of the panel prepared and recommended by the Halka Panchayat from its electorate. The term of its member is 5 years. 3 members will form the quorum of the Adalat. The chairman of the Adalat is to be elected by the Adalat from amongst themselves. If they fail to elect within 15 days, the prescribed authority will nominate the chairman. The secretary of the Halka Panchayat acts as a judicial clerk to the Adalat.